Well, I'd like to share my actual job failures with you because you and I both know we're always not successful in life. And I think you'll agree that careers are certainly anything but linear. On the left are 5 jobs that I applied for within Shell Oil. And on the right are the reasons I failed. This one is one that I've read about, and I was discussing it with a person that I thought was a friend and supporter. Check your references. Somebody may not like you. You can give really bad answers at an interview, or you simply may not be qualified. So I didn't get any of those roles. This is what people are usually told. And if you look at this, it looks like a linear process, but it isn't. For example, here were jobs aligned with an area of university study. And you think that, okay, there's alignment here. But look at what the jobs were that they really got. So reality often just doesn't match a traditional career path. If you ponder them, you'll think, some of these might make sense, but I wouldn't have thought of it. Yeah, it depends on where you live that determines your salary. And if you're wedded to a local town, like some folks are wedded to Hays, Kansas, they're locking their salary in for life. I think that life in general and career search is really a wandering map. It's all over the place. And I'm sharing with you what a former student drew and gave me permission to use. I have met many kids on campus, and when they say, well, I'm majoring in X, and X happens to be a very esoteric field like philosophy. And there was a book published, you majored in what? Which I thought was kind of fun. So, I hope that this helps you in understanding that everything doesn't work out.